Hello everyone, this is lesson number 15, HSK free, and let's continue to learn. Before we learn, 感冒, flu to catch a cold. Next one is 发烧, to run a fever, 发烧. Next one is 裙子, skirt or dress. 草, it's a grass. 开花, to bloom, to blossom. 夏天, summer. 冷, cold. 漂亮, beautiful. 好吃, tasty, delicious, about food. 绿, it's a green. 喂, for 照顾, to look after, to take care of someone. Remember this, way for someone, to do for something, to buy something for anyone. Next one is, we today will learn 用, it's to need, 用. For example, it's not only 用, it's not only to need, sometimes it's to use something, let's say. Use, as you can see, 用. Let's see. I need medicine to treat the cold. 我用药治感冒. I think it's not really need. 我要用药. I think it's more to use. To need and to use. 我用药. I use medicine. 药. 治 it's to treat something. 感冒. It's a cold. 我用药治感冒. Next one. You need medicine when you have a fever. 发烧时要用药. 发烧时 when you fever 要用 you need to use medicine. 要用药. Sometimes it's to need. For example, 不用 do not need. 不用 用. Let's see another one. 发烧时 when the time of your fever, when you have a fever, 要用药. You need to use medicine. Next one. He uses his hand to take the fruit. 他用手拿水果. 他用手 he uses his hands. 拿 to take 水果 fruit. So 他用手 he uses hand 拿水果 to take the fruit. He uses his hand to take the fruit. So we can use to need. We also can read to use. Also to use. 他用手拿水果. Next one is 季节 season. Let's see. Summer is a hot season. 夏天是热的季节. 夏天 summer 是 is 热的季节 the hot season. 季节 season. 季节 let's see. The spring is blooming season. 春天是开花的季节. 春天 is a spring. 是 is 开花. Next one is 春天是开花的季节. 春天 is a spring. 是 is 开花 it's blooming. 季节 season. So it's not usual season. It's 开花的季节 blooming season. The time when the 花 is 开花. So next one, I like every season. 我喜欢每个季节。我喜欢 I like 每个 every 季节every season. So this 节 has a lot of different translation, but one of them is season. So, 季节 season. For example, spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Next one is 当然 of course, naturally. So it's used when someone asks for something. For example, 你 do you do something? You can say 当然 of course, naturally. So 然 it's naturally or by the nature. 当 it's to be sometimes. So to be natural or naturally or of course. 当然 or even why do you ask sometimes? Of course, the fruits is delicious. 水果当然好吃。水果 fruits 当然 naturally or of course 好吃 delicious. Let's see some other translation. Of course, certainly, sure, yes, naturally. So if someone asks one, you can say, of course, yes. Next one, of course, she's very beautiful. 她当然很漂亮。她当然 of course, she of course 很漂亮 is very beautiful 很漂亮。她当然很漂亮。Next one, naturally, summer is very hot. Oh, of course, summer is very hot. 夏天当然很热。夏天 summer 当然 naturally of course 很热 it's very hot. 夏天当然很热。Next one is 春天 春天 it's a spring. Before we saw this one. 夏天 they look very similar. Be careful. This 春 this is 夏 this very very similar. 春天 spring is very comfortable. The weather is very comfortable. 春天很舒服。春天 the spring 很舒服 is very comfortable. 很舒服。Next one, in spring the grass starts to bloom. 春天草开始开花。春天 in the spring at the time of the spring. 草 it's a grass. 开始 to start something. 开花 to bloom. So 开始开花 it starts to bloom. 春天草开始开花。Next one, spring isn't cold. 春天不冷。春天不冷。The spring isn't cold. 不冷。春天不冷。Not cold. 春天很舒服 It's very comfortable. And last one for today. We have two more words. 最近 recently or lately. 最 it's the most. 近 it's near, so the most near. It's recently. Recently, I caught a cold. 最近我感冒了。 最近 recently 我感冒了。最近 lately or recently I 感冒了。感冒了 it's to catch a cold 感冒了。最近我感冒了。Next one. Lately the weather has been very cold. 最近天气很冷，很冷。最近 lately 天气 the weather 很冷，很冷 is very cold. So 最近天气很冷。Next one. He's busy. He's been very busy recently. 他最近很忙，very busy. 他最近很忙。Lately he's very busy. 很忙。And last one, it's a bit complicated. It's a grammar point. 越来越 more and more. Let's see. The weather is getting colder and colder. 天气越来越冷。So the more越 is like tomorrow. More, so more calm, more cold. 越来越冷. We know 来 it's like calm. So 天气越来越冷. The weather is more and more cold, and colder and colder. The skirts are becoming more and more beautiful. 裙子越来越漂亮。裙子 skirt 越来越漂亮。The more it comes, the more it's beautiful. 越来越漂亮。The closer is it, become more beautiful. 越来越漂亮。And last one, he's getting more and more diligent. 他越来越努力。他越来 the more it comes, 越努力。The more it's diligent. 努力。越来越努力。Okay, let's repeat what we learned today. First one is 用 to need or to use something. But more, I think, to use something. Because to need we use 要 This one 季节 season 季节。当然 of course, naturally. 春天 spring. 最近 recently, lately. And last one is 越来越 И посмотрим. And let's see the last one. What we learned today. We have one new idiom for today. Before we learn 手忙脚乱 hand busy, foot messy, in flurry or all frustrated. 手忙脚乱 Next one is 心满意足 heart full, intention enough, completely satisfied. 心满意足 And today we learn new one. 头重脚轻 The head is heavy, the foot is light. 头 head, 重 heavy, 脚 foot, and 轻 is light. Top heavy or unbalanced. Let's see. He does things in an unbalanced way, which isn't good. 他做事头重脚轻不好。做事 is to do something. 做事 to do a thing. 头重脚轻 head is heavy, foot is light. 不好 not good. So Oh, it's pretty interesting. 头中脚筋. Let's see, maybe some other variation. тяжелый год. 对对. So it's and balance is very good translation. 头中脚筋. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next one.